Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. I am a homeschool mom to 4 children, and in today's video, I'm going to show you inside my recent order from My Father's World. Now, last week over on Instagram, I posted a picture of like a little teaser of, do you want to see inside of this box and what I've ordered from My Father's World? And the amount of people who said yes really surprised me. So I thought, might as well make it into a YouTube video so everyone can see what I purchased. Now, this was supposed to get done, I think, Monday, beginning of the week, maybe even Sunday, but this last week has been so crazy. So over the weekend, I went to a Wild and Free conference in San Luis Obispo in California, and it was such an amazing time. I would recommend going to one of those conferences if you have a chance. And so I got back home, and then I had to kind of recoup, be with my family, and then some kids got sick. We had our CC community day, and then we had sports. And so like all of these things just pushed back this video, but I finally have time and I'm sitting down and I'm ready to show you all what I purchased. Now there are a total, I think there were 3 boxes total of the things that I ordered. I had made one separate order first and I received that. And then I was just really thinking through the year for my going to be 5th grader, and I was trying to decide what should I do for him. So then I looked into My Father's World again for the older years, because right now I've used the preschool, I've used or pre-K, and I've used kindergarten, but I haven't gone any further with My Father's World before. And I kind of wanted to. So my first order was the books for my 1st grader. And here's the first teacher manual. It's Learning God's Story. And it is a complete 1st grade curriculum. What came in that box, I ordered the Bible reader. This is just the reader that they have that has Bible stories in it. And then I have this whole box right here. And then the Bible notebook. And this is just really basic. It just has paper, an area for you to, or not for me, but the children to draw their picture and then narrate the story. So I thought that I could have just done this on regular paper, but I like having everything all together and what they're offering. So I ordered that. And then I ordered the Learning God's Story complete 1st grade curriculum student workbook. And this has all the pages that he's going to be working on for, I think this is for like the reading, like phonics. And then these are the student sheets. I haven't opened these yet, but these are fun little sheets. I'm going to be doing separate videos for each of my children and what they're going to be doing next school year. So I will have everything organized and I can show you an in-depth look. Right now, this video is just pretty much what I have received. So let me put this to the side. What else came with that? I ordered the science books that they recommend, these guys, and then there is my big book of 5-minute devotions. And then we have puzzles for pattern blocks, pattern animals. And you know what's missing out of this box that I already put away were all of the pattern pieces. It comes in a big tub and I put that away. So when I do the individual 1st grade video, I will have that out. And then there was this book, Tales from Cherry Lane. I'll just kind of flip through it real quick. Okay, again, I will show more in depth on that. And then this book here, as well as some addition and subtraction fact cards. And then we have these wood planks. And so these, I think, are replacing these rods. I don't think that I will have it replaced. I think I'll just use both because they're both fun and it's a variety. So I got those because my daughter, she's going to be in kindergarten next year, and we are going to do the God's Creation from A to Z. These are the student sheets. That's all I needed because I already have the curriculum. I already have all the books, the teacher manual, and all the things that go with it. I know that I've done a video in the past on the kindergarten curriculum for My Father's World, and I didn't actually pull out all of the manipulatives and the books and all of that, but I will do that this time to really walk you through what is in it and then how I organize things. Okay, and then the second order, this one is where I was kind of trying to explain this in the beginning of the video, where my fourth grader going to be a fifth grader, what am I going to do? And I was really thinking, because next year, my sixth grader, he'll be in seventh grade, and he'll be going into Classical Conversations Challenge A. And what I hear about Challenge A is that there is a lot of work and they're off on their own, and that just didn't sit right with me. I am so the homeschool mom who wants everyone around the table. We're all learning together, and I didn't like the idea that he was just going to be off on his own, doing his own thing all day long. So then I got thinking, well, if my kindergartner has her own curriculum, my first grader has his own curriculum, why don't I get my soon to be fifth grader, his own curriculum, so that now I have like this rotation, like a block in my day for each of my children. And I'm not leaving anybody out. So I'm giving my time to each one of them. Now, that is how I plan to do next year. I plan to have a morning time where we meet together for breakfast and Bible. And then we will kind of branch off to our day. I will probably, I'm not sure, I might start with my kindergartner. Actually, how I see the day going is morning time, older boys go do math, and then I will start working with the youngest and like working up. And any independent work that my older boys can do, I will have them do it. Even my first grader, I might be able to get him to do handwriting on his own. I'm just trying to think through like how to structure my day, since it's going to be a little different. And the way that I do that, I'm going to probably be working all day with them. All of my children are not going to be working all day, but I will be doing homeschool all day because I'll just be filtering through children. You know, does that make sense? Do any of you guys do it that way? Do you like block a certain time for each child? Let me know how it went or how it's going. So this second order I placed, and it has everything for my fifth grader. I was searching online, and see, I think this is their, so I was searching online for like, where do I start with a fifth grader? Because usually it has like this laid out timeline of like after first grade, second or third grade, you do adventures in US history. Well, I missed that. And then, you know, you could see, it says third through eighth grade. It has all of these units laid out. Now I started to think, do I just do like 1850 to modern times because our CC is going to be doing American history? Or do I kind of start from the beginning and work as far as I can until he gets to challenge A? That's pretty much where I landed. So I ended up ordering Exploring Countries and Cultures for my fifth grader. And we will work through this together. So here is the teacher's manual. I have the student sheets. And then, see, this is in no order. It's just how they packaged everything. So if it's coming out of order and it's not making sense, I'm sorry. So these are passports, and they will get a passport stamp every time they visit a different country. And there should be another one in here. I purchased 3 in case my younger 2 wanted to sit in on the country information so they can learn. We have this Children's Atlas of God's World. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stack everything over here. The Complete Book of Animals. Now, this is grades 1 through 3. I'm not sure who I'm going to use this for or if I'm going to use it. I kind of wanted to look through it and see what was in here because it is a little below level for my 5th grader, but I wanted to see what that was all about. Then we have Hero Tales. And then we have A World of Art. So we are exploring international art. Fun with Easy Origami. Thought that would be kind of neat for him. We have the Currency Kit. The stack is getting big. Then we have a Classroom Atlas. So this has just all of the maps that they're going to be studying. Okay, next we have this one. And then we have this one, Come to the Table. This one is all recipes from the different countries that we're going to be studying. My son was actually kind of sold on this one when I told him that we would get to bake and cook together. He was like, yes, sold, let's do it. All right, the properties of ecosystems, what we're going to be studying for science. Fast facts. What else do we have here? Okay, parent-teacher supplement. So this has blank maps, Chinese checkers, and geography games. Okay, so that's neat. So I don't have to sit and make copies. I guess I could. It says that I can make copies for my family. Okay. Exploring world geography. Okay. I'm excited to see inside of all of these, you guys. I really haven't flipped through many of these. So when I do my video walking through all of it, it's going to be really fun. We'll get to see what we are going to be doing. All right, we have Kingdom Tales. I just want to flip through everything. Okay, so these are stories. And then let me grab all of these. Okay, Christian Heroes Then and Now. Let's see, these are the ones that we're going to be reading. Can you see? There. These are the ones we're going to be reading through. And I haven't decided if I'm going to use these as a read aloud. So if I'm sitting with him reading, because I kind of want all of my children to listen to these as well. So I might also get the audio version and see if I could use those sometimes as well as reading. All right, the inflatable world globe. I've had one of those before, but I think it popped. Then we have Geography from A to Z, a picture glossary. Okay. The Living World Encyclopedia. A couple more things, you guys. This is a lot. A Window on the World. I've heard this one's really good. Okay, World Ready to Display Wall Map. Now, I have I have maps all in my room. I feel like I need to update my world map. I'm looking at the map that's on the wall. It's not a very, yeah, I think I just wanted something new. So I'm gonna open this up and put this on the wall instead of what I have. Oh, here's the other passport. It was somewhere in there. It was way on the bottom. Okay. Ultimate sticker book, Flags of the World. Have you guys ever seen that? Okay, so they just placed the flags. Have you guys seen that one? Years and years ago, I saw someone and they were using this. It was a map and they had flags that were pins, and like it was like pin it map or pin maps or something like that. That would be kind of interesting. I wonder if they make those anymore. If you know, let me know if they make those. And then The Great Animal Search. These books are fun. Okay, now that was a lot of stuff. The first grade curriculum, there are some things that I didn't get that I already have. I think one was like the art. Hold on, let me see. I think it's under all of this. I had it on my table. See if I can do this without making everything fall over. Okay, drawing with children. I have this book for my CC tutoring, and we have a couple weeks that I draw information from here, but I'm curious to see how they use it in their curriculum. So I have that, and then there was something else I think that I had that I didn't get. Math. I didn't get math because we use Saxon, and we're going to continue with Saxon. And then language arts I didn't get either because we're going to be doing CC essentials, like the IEW. And then I think I'm going to do, instead of the EEL for essentials, I'm going to do Abeka language arts. I'm still thinking through that though. So at least I have time. I purchased all of this. I like to purchase my curriculum early in the year while we're still doing our homeschool year, like the previous year, so that I could kind of like really think what's working, what's not working, and then get like a good idea of like how I want to change things. Because when you're at the end of summer, you kind of forget where you were at the end of the year, the previous year. So that's why I like to buy everything early. Okay, so I think that is all that I have to show you. That was a lot of stuff. I'm really excited about what I purchased from My Father's World. I'm excited for next year. But be on the lookout for those other videos. I'm going to do, like I said, a video for kindergarten, for first grade, for fifth grade, and for seventh grade. I'm going to show all of this again, but I want to show you like inside of the book so that you can get a good idea of what it is that we are studying. And then like kindergarten, I'll pull out all the resources because like all the books are like all up there. I just pull them out when I need them. So I will make sure to get everything out, and then just kind of talk you through what I'm supplementing, what I'm going to do, what I'm not going to do, because I have some thoughts. I'm really going to change things up next year, and I'm very excited for that. But I hope you've had a wonderful week. Have a great weekend. Get some rest, love on your children, and I will see you all next time. Bye.